In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Google AI Edge Gallery app. So for those who don't know what is this AI Edge Gallery app is about, with the help of this, we can run Gemma models as well as other open source model locally on our mobile device itself. So exactly similar to Ollama but in mobile phones. So just go to the Play Store and search for Google AI Edge Gallery. We will be having that, and it is from research at Google. If you just click on about this app, basically we will be getting all the features available over here. As it clearly says, run Gemma and other open source LLMs locally. So now we can simply install it and just select accept and continue. These are the different ways how we can use it. One is just as a normal AI chat, and another one is ask questions about image. We can input an image and ask questions. And next one is transcribe and translate audio. We can input audios that will convert it into a text, also translate it, and we have agent skills, tiny garden, mobile actions. So you can just go through each and every feature of it. The main thing is going to be the AI chat. So you can simply click here, and here we are having these many Gemma models available along with its size also. If your phone has very good RAM or very good processor, you can choose a high sized model. If it's not that much, you can choose a much smaller model. And apart from Gemma models, we are having the Qwen as well as DeepSeek R1 also here. So for my phone, I will just go with a very small model. Here we are having the Gemma 3.1, which is just around 500 MB. I will just go with that. Download and just select agree and continue. Proceed anyway. Once it is done, we can just click on this arrow icon and just click on proceed. So it's initializing this model, and it says it takes about 1 minute. So now it is ready, and if you are having multiple models, you can simply click on the top and choose the model of your choice. And again, to the rightmost top, we are having some settings. Here we can change the parameters, the maximum tokens, the temperature, accelerator, the system prompt. If you want to give any instruction, you can do that. So I'll just go here and type a simple message, hi. And in case if you are getting any errors like this, just go to the settings, and rather than having it as GPU, change it to CPU. As you can see, I have got the response, and this is literally from the AI model running locally on my mobile device. Now you can go and play with the other features over here. Certain models only support text, certain models support both image input as well as the text output. So for ask image, you can just get a model and start using it. So similar to that, you can just try each and every feature over here. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.